Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. So I'm in the process of planning my daughter's 6th birthday. I have no idea how that even happened. I feel like I just had her. This year she wanted to have a fairy birthday party. So we've already done mermaid, unicorn, you name it. Frozen, I'm pretty sure we've had 2 Frozen parties between my 2 daughters. So she wanted a fairy princess party and we were having Tinkerbell come, and I thought, wouldn't it be cute if we made fairy dust? So I did a little research online. I didn't really love all of the recipes that I found online. Some of them called for baby powder, and you will see in the video that I did try the baby powder and I hated it. Because you know how baby powder is, it kind of leaves that film, and I don't know, I did not like this recipe, so I opted to go without the baby powder, and I just kind of added in my own little ingredients, and I got pretty much everything from Hobby Lobby and Amazon. I will link below what I can, like the stuff I got on Amazon, and I'll show you guys in a few minutes what exactly I used. All right, let's get into it. All right, so the first thing I'm going to be showing you guys are these cute little containers. These are from Amazon, and they have glass ones, but I opted for plastic ones because they're for kids and I didn't want them to break. And I believe it was a 24 pack. I will link it down below for you guys. And then I found these cute little keys, and I thought these would be fun to just kind of tie onto the bottles. And then I got this 4-pack of, no, just kidding, 6-pack of glitter from Hobby Lobby, and also these little glitter stars too. And this is the faux snow. If you guys remember that from Christmas time, it's kind of like the iridescent, supposed to be like fake snow, and I believe that was from Hobby Lobby as well. And then I picked up this baby powder from Dollar Tree, but I ended up not using it after I tried it the first time. And then I've got this really thin blue ribbon from Hobby Lobby, and then these little fairy dust little pictures that I made on PicMonkey. If you guys don't know how to make that stuff, I have a video showing like how I make different templates and stuff on PicMonkey, so I will link that down below for you guys. And that is just pretty much how I made these. So the first thing I did, I've never done this before, so I was just kind of winging it. So I was taking some of that iridescent snow, and then I'm just going to take one of the glitters, just one color at a time. And I ended up only putting in about half, but then after a little bit, I ended up using the whole entire thing. So you're just going to want to add the whole entire thing of glitter, and then I'm going to stir that up a little bit. And now I'm going to add some of the little star glitter pieces, and just stir that all together as well. Now I'm going to try some of the baby powder, and after putting it in and stirring it around, I noticed that it kind of just gave it like a dingy, like filmy look, and I did not like it at all. So, and the smell was pretty awful. So I ended up using this that I made because I didn't want to waste it. I mean, that was a whole thing of the blue glitter. So I did end up using it, and I think it filled like 1 or 2 of the little containers. But after that, I ended up doing it without, and I think it turned out so much better. So for this next one, I added the stars first. And then I went ahead and added the whole entire thing of this pink glitter. And then I added some of the iridescent snow. And then I also found this gold glitter that I just had laying around the house. And I just added some of this together as well, and then stir that all together. And once I did all that, I did add a little bit more of the iridescent snow. You are just going to kind of have to wing it and just eye it and just add what you feel like you need. I don't have any measurements or anything for these. So once you stir it all together, you can just start adding it into the little bottles. And I did this, it took me quite a while because I had to use all of the other glitters. So I just would use it till it was gone and then make another little batch using the other colors of glitters. So I had like 6 different color variations of the fairy dust. Now I'm taking the little fairy labels, and I'm just cutting those out with some craft scissors. I'm just going to go ahead and cut them into squares, and I thought they would be cute because they're kind of squiggly on the edges. And then I'm just going to take my hot glue gun and glue those right onto the bottles. Now I'm going to take that blue ribbon and just cut about an 8-inch piece, and I'm going to put the key on the ribbon and then just tie a bow around the little jar. And that is pretty much it, you guys. I think this looks so cute, and the kids are going to think it's so magical. And another step you could do is, if you don't want them to be able to open the bottle and get fairy dust all over the place, you could glue the cork inside. But my daughter likes to take the fairy dust out and kind of sprinkle it around, and whatever, it's fine. That's what vacuum cleaners are for, right? So, but you could glue it if you don't want them to be able to open them.